Today I want to show you 3 ways to use shoulder pulley to stretch your shoulder. To set up the shoulder pulley, hold the pulley with one hand with the anchor pointing up. Stand on the side of the door that closes, open the door a little bit, and position the anchor on top of the door. Close the door with the anchor in place. Once the door is closed, pull up a chair and sit it in front of the door. It is a good idea to hold on to the handles with your hands before you sit down. For the first exercise, if we're stretching the right shoulder, we're going to position the right hand by your right side near your hip and position your left hand by your left side near your left shoulder. As we pull the left handle down with our left hand, the right hand will get pulled up by the pulley. The more you pull down with your left hand, the more your right shoulder will be stretched. You can release the pull from your left hand to lower your right shoulder down to the starting position. You can repeat this movement up to 5 minutes. If you want to increase the intensity of the stretch, you can hold the stretch when your right hand and your right shoulder is being stretched at the top. You can hold this position for up to 30 seconds before you come down to rest. For the second exercise, again we're going to position the right hand by your right hip, but this time you're going to try to keep your right elbow straight throughout the exercise. As you pull down the left handle with your left hand, try to keep your right hand to the right side of your body. This will help you stretch your shoulder at a different angle. You can relax the pull from your left hand to bring your right hand and shoulder down to rest. Again, if you want a more intense stretch, you can hold the stretching position with your right arm at the top of the stretch for up to 30 seconds before you lower it down to rest. For the third and last stretch, if we're stretching the right shoulder, position the right hand slightly behind your back and your left hand in front of your body. As you pull the left handle down with your left hand, your right hand will get pulled behind your back. As you relax your left hand pull, the right hand will come down to starting position to rest. This stretch is helpful for movements that require bringing your hand behind your back, such as putting on certain types of clothing. I hope today's exercises are helpful for you. If you have any pain or difficulty during any of these exercises, please consult your local physical therapist or physiotherapist before continuing. Also, it is a very good idea to ask your local physical therapist or physiotherapist for a personalized rehab program for your shoulder injury.